Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your bank account from M1 Finance. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and remove your bank account because you want to use some different funds in order to fund your M1 Finance account. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to M1 Finance. Then, on the bottom hand side, click on Invest. Now, on this page here, you can select which account you want to go ahead and remove the bank account from. But once you're on the account you want to remove the bank account from, go ahead and scroll to the right and find Bank Connection. Afterwards, click on Change. And then you're going to see this prompt that says, any schedules using this bank will be deleted. You can connect a new bank after removing this one. Are you sure you want to remove your existing bank? So go ahead and click on Confirm, and this will go ahead and remove your bank account from M1 Finance. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and remove your bank account from M1 Finance. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.